Two pre-university college students from Udupi who had approached the Karnataka High Court challenging the ban on hijab returned from the exam centers on Friday as they were not allowed to write the exam wearing hijab. The two girls, Alia and Resham, arrived in an auto-rickshaw at the exam center wearing burqa. They insisted that they should be allowed to write the exam wearing hijab, but the college authorities, citing the High Court order, denied them entry. Subsequently, the girls returned home. The examinations, which began on Friday, will go on till May 18th, and over 6.84 lakh students will write the exam at 1,076 centers across the state.